stimulates your brain. So this first graphic right here is the brain steady state, still state, not moving at all. The brain is not stimulated, as you can see. 20 minutes of a simple walk activates the brain this much. Now, a full 20 minutes is not even necessary to be beneficial. A simple 3-minute brain break will increase the productivity, excuse me, and the stimulation in the brain. Brain breaks increase oxygen and the energy flow to our brains, and it reduces the stress levels, as I stated once before, and it helps us refocus. So this graphic is a great image of showing the benefits of movement in your classroom. And so far, the 2 activities we've done did not require equipment, did not require much space. So brain breaks, I cannot stress, the research shows how beneficial a brain break is for our students. We've done 2 brain breaks so far. So let's reflect. How do you feel after doing a brain break? So think about that, and please discuss with your participants at your table. How do you feel after a brain break? So what do we say? How do we feel?
Awake.
Awake?
Not bored.
Not bored. It's important. That's important. So here's how your students feel after a brain break. So we have backup.
Thank you for your interview. I have a question for you. How do you feel after performing your brain break?
And I apologize for technical difficulties, but if you could not hear, our students said after a brain break, all 3 of them in the video stated that they feel refocused, ready to learn. And that's what I took away from that interview, that these students want to learn and they're ready to learn after a quick 3-minute brain break. When might you use a brain break in your classroom? So please, discuss in your groups, when would be a good time to use a brain break in your classroom?
And if they've been sitting, or if they've had to take an assessment, they come up moving before and after. In the morning, like morning meetings, after that.
So I overheard before an assessment, morning meetings, and those are great times to use a brain break. Before starting a rigorous lesson. Excuse me. During transitions, to help go from one subject to another subject, one skill to another skill. That's a great opportunity to perform a brain break. When your students are wondering, it's that time of day, halfway through school, where it's dozed off, looking at the clock, is it time to go home yet? That is a great opportunity to perform a brain break, to re-engage those students into our lesson. When you feel like the energy level is low, no one's raising their hand, volunteering. Quiet, class is really quiet, and we know our class is very spirited. That might be a good opportunity to perform a brain break. When the students are restless, fidgety, as I said before, when they're beatboxing on the desk, they're in their desks, that's an opportunity, that's a sign that we need a brain break. During review, when we're reviewing for an assessment, it's very crucial information we're giving these students. So it's very important to retain that information. So that's a great opportunity to perform a brain break, and then we can start our review. So these students retain that information we're about to give them. To break up a routine, sometimes a lot of times we have routines, and our students get accustomed to that routine. So throw in a brain break to kind of switch it up for those students, to get them back will be a great opportunity to do a brain break. A reward system. We've done a great job in specialists. We've done a great job in the cafeteria. Why not reward our students with a brain break? And to take that to the next level, have your students pick out that brain break. Give them the choice. It should not always be the teachers in the classroom picking the brain break. Let's see what they like. Give them opportunities to pick and choose what they like for their brain break. Celebration goes back to, excuse me, what I just stated. They did something well. Let's celebrate with a brain break. And a dance celebration would be a great brain break. I also overheard during your collaboration right here, morning meetings. Get your students up and moving is a great way to start your day. All right? So there are many, many benefits of a brain break, and there are so many countless opportunities for us to just introduce them in 2 or 3 minutes of your instructional time. So I'm going to follow up with you all within 2 weeks. I'm asking that you incorporate a brain break within 2 weeks into your instructional day. My email is jason.henson@vbschools.com, or you can follow me at Glenwood PE. What I'd like to do right now is pass out an exit ticket. That I would like for you to fill out. Sorry. Here's the pen. Here's the pen. So in the plus, I would like for you to write what did you like about today's presentation. In the triangle, what would you change? The question mark, what questions do you have after leaving today? And the star, what new ideas did you gain from today's presentation? All right, thank you for your presentation. Thank you for coming to my presentation. I throw off guard.
Fabulous job.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Okay.